यदि तपाई कुनै entry level को phone खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ जसको budget चाहिँ around 15 देखि 18,000 सम्मको होस्, then I have got your back. Honor Nepalले launch गरेको छ Honor X6a र X5 Plus. Honor 90 र Honor 90 Lite launch गरेको करिब 1 महिनापछि दशैंको offer राखेर Honor has launched these budget smartphones र आजको भिडियोमा we're going to unbox it, discuss and compare its features. So, let's begin. Box भित्र यहाँले पाउन सक्नुहुनेछ a document, SIM ejector pin, phone को cover, USB type C को cable, charger, X6a को 22.5 watt को भने X5 Plus को 10 watt को and of course phone. सुरुवात गरौँ हामी यी फोन को डिजाइन बाट. क्यामेरा अपीयरेन्स हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ अलिकति डिफरेंट छ, but besides that यसको feel र डिजाइन चाहिँ almost similar नै छ. Now let me explain you why. Let's begin with the sides. यो दुईटै फोनको राइट साइडमा हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ there is a volume rocker and a power button which is also a fingerprint sensor for biometrics. यो फोनको लेफ्ट साइड हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ कम्प्लिटली क्लीन नै छ. टप हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ सिम ट्रे छ अनि एउटा नोइज क्यान्सलेसन माइक पनि छ. त्यसैगरी बटममा हेर्ने हो भने you get a 3.5 mm को हेडफोन ज्याक, a microphone, a charging port and a speaker. यी फोनको होल बिल्ड चाहिँ प्लास्टिकले बनेको छ with matte finish in the back except the camera section which is glossy. कलर अप्सन को कुरा गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ Honor X6a चाहिँ midnight black र sky silver मा available छ. X5 Plus चाहिँ midnight black र cyan lake मा available छ. Let's talk about the front part of this phone, which is the display. You get a pre-applied screen protector, which is a good thing. Display size को कुरा गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ you get a 6.56 inch TFT LCD screen. Resolution को कुरा गर्ने हो भने you get HD plus resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate, which means UI animation र scrolling चाहिँ buttery smooth हुन्छ. दुईटै फोनमा you get peak brightness of 550 nits, which means indoor activities हरुको लागि चाहिँ it's pretty much good, तर outdoor activities को लागि चाहिँ अलि struggle नै हुन्छ. By the way, यो फोनको चाहिँ teardrop notch र noticeable chin छ, but since it's a budget phone, we can't complain much, so we can consider that. Display को कुरा त भइसक्यो. Performance को बारेमा भन्ने हो भने चाहिँ दुईटै फोनमा पाउनु हुनेछ MediaTek को Helio G36 with 12 nanometer chipset. यो चाहिँ एउटा entry level को chipset हो, so gaming experience को लागि एकदमै धेरै expectations चाहिँ नराख्नु, तर for your normal daily activity, it's a pretty good chipset. RAM र storage को कुरा गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ you get some significant differences. X6a को हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ 4128 GB मा आउँछ, X5 Plus को हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ 464 GB मा आउँछ. यदि तपाईले storage बढाउन मन छ भने you can also add external memory card. Now let's move on to the UI. यी दुईटै फोनमा छ Android 13 with Magic OS 7.1. फोन चलाउँदा पनि रेस्पोन्स चाहिँ राम्रै पाइरहेको छु, तर bloatwares को बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ they do have bloatwares, but they can be easily uninstalled. Now let's get into the optics. क्यामेरा को बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ you can clearly see some significant differences. X6a को बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ you get a triple rear camera of 50 megapixels primary camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens. X5 Plus को कुरा गर्नुपर्दा चाहिँ you get the same primary camera and depth sensor but no macro lens. Selfie camera को कुरा गर्नुपर्दा चाहिँ दुईटैको सेम छ, which is of 5 megapixels. अनि video recording चाहिँ you can record it with 1080p at 30 fps. We also tried taking some pictures with these phones and the results turned out to be something like this. Please do give us your feedback in the comment section below. Battery capacity को कुरा गर्नुपर्दा चाहिँ दुईटैको सेम छ, which is of 5200 mAh. तर charging time चाहिँ different छ, as X6a को charger is of 22.5 watt and X5 Plus को charger is of 10 watt. यसको रिमेनिङ फिचर्सको कुरा गर्नुपर्दा चाहिँ you also get 4G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1 and GPS. Now we're at the end of the video, and to conclude it with my impression, look र color wise it's pretty awesome, and price पनि it's pretty promising as it's budget friendly. Primary camera ko कुरा गर्नुपर्दा it is pretty nice for how budget friendly it is, तर remaining camera चाहिँ it is quite lackluster. Chipset पनि entry level को छ, तर त्यही entry level को chipset र 5200 mAh को battery को combo ले गर्दा battery life पनि राम्रै हुनेछ. यही segment को phone चलाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ र हल्का upgrade चाहनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ this can be your option, तर power users र राम्रो photos चाहिनेहरूलाई चाहिँ you can skip it. As यो budget range मा त्यति धेरै expectations पनि नराख्नु होला. With this is me Asha signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.